go. Raindrops on the window, I'm dreaming, but it doesn't make sense at all. Waking up feeling like it's gonna rain. It's sunny out, but it just comes in waves. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say. Can't tell you something I do not know. Thought the other side was always green. There isn't any color in my dreams. When you ask me if I'm...
Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Maddie. I make a lot of college content, productive vlogs, lifestyle videos, all of that fun stuff, and also moving vlogs very soon. So if you like that kind of stuff, make sure you go subscribe down below. So as you can tell from the title, we're doing a Sunday reset vlog. Today's Sunday and this is going up tomorrow, so love the last minuteness for me. I had a busy weekend, which I can catch you guys up on all of that in a minute, but it's like 9:58 right now. I had a slow morning because I had a busy weekend, and I am just so ready to get back into a good routine for this week and just kind of get everything in order because I feel super scattered right now, but that's okay, we're gonna fix it. So I already showered. I'm not gonna do any makeup today. Today's gonna be makeup free. So let me show you guys the outfit for today. An oversized hoodie is the uniform for a Sunday reset. It's just a retro GB hoodie. I wear it all the time. And of course the Amazon slippers, you guys already know. They're linked on my Amazon storefront if you guys want to go check them out. Link is down below.
I don't have a lot to say, can't tell you something I do not know. Maybe just hold me.
Okay, let's do a little coffee taste test. I haven't made nguyen coffee like this, but I don't have any sweetened condensed milk this time, so let's try it. Ooh, that's really good actually. A+ from me. It looks so light. This is kind of embarrassing, but it's just really concentrated coffee, and I put like a little bit too much milk and creamer in it, but it's okay. Also, this video is not sponsored by nguyen coffee. I just love their coffee, and I also have a coupon code, so I'll put that on the screen right here and leave the link and all the information in the description box down below. You guys should really go check out their company. It's woman owned, it's ethically sourced, and 100% authentic Vietnamese coffee. It's such an amazing and cool company, and I love sharing companies like that with you guys, so go check them out. Links are down below. But I am going to enjoy my breakfast right now and catch up on some YouTube videos in my subscription box because you guys already know I'm always behind on those. Literally so many. Getting really dark in my room. I think it's supposed to rain. It says it's gonna rain at 1 p.m. and it's almost 11, but I feel like the weather's always wrong and it'll end up being like sunny in an hour, but we'll see. I feel so just like unmotivated right now because I had such a long weekend, which I'll tell you guys about that right now. So I'm filming this on Sunday, so this past Friday was my boyfriend's birthday. So I went home and visited him, which I've actually gotten quite a few questions about like where he is and why he's not in my vlogs and stuff. So I am at school right now. I still live in this apartment, as you can tell, because my lease isn't up until July and I'm moving and everything. So I'll be on this side of the state for the summer, and he moved home for the summer, so he's on the opposite side of the state as me. So I guess technically we're doing long distance right now, but I still talk to him all the time, of course, and I've seen him over the weekends and everything. He's come to visit me, I went to visit him, you know, we're working it out. But yeah, I've gotten a lot of questions about that, about like where he is and stuff, and of course I miss him and everything, but we're making it work. So that's the Doug update, if you guys were wondering, because I have gotten a lot of questions about that. And it was just a really long weekend. It was super fun, but I'm just like mentally and physically exhausted. So yeah, I really just want to take today to get myself organized, push the reset button and just kind of show you guys how I prepare for a really busy week, because I have a really busy week coming up. So we are just gonna get ourselves together, get our lives together, and you guys already know, first things first, we have to make a to-do list. Also, Olivia Rodrigo's album is on repeat. You guys, I'm obsessed. It's so good. Comment down below and let me know what your favorite song from it is. I think right now my favorite is One Step Forward, Three Steps Back, but the entire album, so good.
I'm coming back slowly, so slowly, and you ask if I'm always this long.
Okay, here's the to-do list for now. I'll probably add stuff later. Obviously, I want to film this vlog, plan this upcoming week, plan some upcoming content that I want to make, paint my nails, and edit this vlog later tonight after I'm finished filming it. And I just added plan moving content. I think we're just gonna start with planning out my week.
How can I tell you something I do not know? Sorry if I'm not in the mood. I don't really have a good excuse. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say.
Guys, it is so dark and gloomy outside. This is such like a sad vibe for today. Also, I feel like there's stuff all over the lens. My bad. Sorry guys. Is that better? I don't know. I can't even tell. Anyways, I did a lot of planning. Here's my week. You guys can't even see it. Okay, here's my week. As per usual, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday are always my busiest days. But that's okay. We like to stay busy over here. But I am actually going home again next weekend. So I think I'm going home Friday to Monday. I don't have all the specifics planned out, so I needed to prepare some content to go up in case I stay a little bit longer than I originally planned to. So my goal is to obviously make the content for this week's Monday, Wednesday, Friday videos, but I also want to get Monday's video and Wednesday's video for next week scheduled and ready to go up. And I have a few sponsorships coming up / like brand deals and stuff, so I need to just make sure everything is all in order for those. But yeah, I love planning all of my stuff out on Sunday. It just kind of helps me prepare for a good week and get organized and know what's coming up and everything. So yeah, that's my biggest tip for anyone who has like a lot of stuff going on. Plan your week on Sunday so you know what to expect, and that way you'll feel a lot more prepared for the week and everything that's going on. Okay, my room is freezing, so I'm back in bed. We love a relaxing Sunday. It started raining outside. You guys probably can't see that. Can you see it now? It's kind of raining. I took a little break and watched some more YouTube videos and some TikToks and stuff, but I'm hungry now, so I kind of want to get something to eat. Since it's raining, I kind of want ramen. That sounds amazing right now. So I think I'm gonna go make some ramen, watch some more YouTube videos.
Tell you something I do not know. Maybe just hold me, just hold me. I'm coming back slowly, so slowly, and you ask if I'm always this lonely. How can I tell you something I do not know? Maybe just hold me, just hold me. I'm coming back slowly, so slowly, and you ask if I'm always this lonely.
Okay, so it's 2:44, it's almost 3, and we're done with our little break. I think I'm going to start planning some moving content for the upcoming couple of weeks. I just kind of want to figure out like what videos I want to do and all that fun stuff. So we are gonna work on that right now. This guy, Gerald, He's pretty much dead. I have sadly given up on him. I just haven't thrown him out yet because I just can't part with him. But eventually I will throw him out. Sadly, breaks my heart, but he's no longer with us. So yeah, I'm gonna plan some moving content. I also have to plan a sponsorship, so I'll probably do that today too. I'll add that to my list. But yeah, we're just having a very chill Sunday.
Is this lonely? How can I tell you something I do not know?
Okay, I don't want you guys to see the videos I'm planning. I'm sure you could probably guess, but I don't want to spoil the surprise, but I have a whole list of some video ideas that I want to do moving wise and all that fun stuff. So right now I am going to paint my nails, specifically my toes. They are super chipped and I have been meaning to do them for a while. So I'm going to do my classic pink. I painted my, painted my fingernails with my boyfriend's sister the other day. Guys, I unintentionally painted them to look like Hannah Montana nails. Tell me these don't look like Hannah Montana nails. These are literally Hannah Montana nails. Sorry, I know my nails are ugly and my cuticles are really bad, but literally the exact color, the exact purple color of Hannah Montana and the sparkles and everything. Literally exact. Like I said, I'm painting my nails the classic light pink. I love this so much, but I just wanted to share the shade and the brand that I love. So it's the Sally Hansen Hard as Nails Extreme Wear. It's in the shade 196 Day Cream. Perfect. Literally the most perfect light pink ever. I'm not going to show you me painting my toenails because I feel like that's gross, but I'll show you guys after. Okay, we're done painting my nails. They look great. I told you guys the weather's so unpredictable. Said it was gonna rain. It did rain for a little bit, but now the sun is out. Look at that. It's literally sunny outside. You really just can't trust the weather predictions, I guess. Okay, you guys are literally going to make fun of me for this. Basically, like I said, I was going home this weekend, so I'm only gonna be here for like 4 days. So I don't want to go grocery shopping because I have stuff here. I just have like a weird mixture of things. I have enough stuff that I don't need to go to the grocery store. And I'm like hungry and pizza sounds really good, but I don't have any bread to like make pizza with. So you guys are literally gonna laugh at me when you see this. So I made like little breadless pizzas on pepperonis. Okay, but like it's actually really good. They're kind of cute, right? So it's just a piece of pepperoni with pizza sauce and cheese on it. So they're basically little pizzas. I don't know. I think they're pretty good, so that's what matters. They're just so cute. Okay, so I think I mentioned earlier that I have a couple sponsorships coming up and I like to plan ahead before I start filming for those just so I know what the brand wants me to talk about, what I want to talk about, and it ends up being easier on me at the end because then I don't have to cut out 10 minutes of me messing up what I'm talking about or pauses and stuff like that. So I decided to try out a new system because I was just writing notes down in my notebook, but I'm trying to get better about like saving documents and contracts and all that important stuff just in case and for like tax reasons and just making sure everything is organized, all that stuff. And like I never delete emails or anything like that with the documents in it, but it's kind of nice to have like a physical version to refer to in case anything happened. So I had this binder at home that I brought back and I'm gonna fill it up with all of my sponsorship stuff just so it's all in one place, it's all nice and organized and all that good stuff. And I just like it because it matches my wallpaper. so I have food again. I made a smoothie bowl and I was going to film it, but I was exporting all the footage from my SD card because I want to start editing this video. This is so cold. Okay, let me show you guys. It's beautiful. So it's a tropical fruit smoothie bowl with some overripe bananas, some chocolate berry granola, and then some chocolate chunks. And this is the cutest smoothie bowl ever. It's a coconut bowl, and I have it linked on my Amazon storefront if you guys want to go check it out. They're just from Amazon, super inexpensive, but so cute for smoothie bowls. And the consistency was perfect. So excited to eat this. Okay, so I ate my smoothie bowl. It was amazing. And I kind of want to do a face mask right now. And then I'm going to start editing this video. So let's pick one out. I have a couple to choose from. Okay, here are the ones that we have to choose from. I haven't done a face mask in forever. But yeah, I've had these forever and I haven't used them. But it's a Sunday reset vlog and we gotta do some self-care, of course. Okay, so we have a 24 karat gold sheet mask. This one brightens and firms. This one is coconut and shea. This one soothes and hydrates. And then this one is charcoal and rose. This one detoxifies and hydrates. I'll do this one for today just because I do kind of have a sunburn. So I feel like soothing my skin would be really, really nice right now. I'm going to put my hair back. Looks a little goofy, but we'll go with that. Smells like coconut. Smells really good. Whoa, it's slimy. I know it's gonna be literally huge, but it's okay. Oh god. Okay, this is not going as well as I thought it was going to. Wow, I literally look insane. Doesn't really like stick around the edges very well. Okay, this is embarrassing. It's not even sticking. Okay, next time I'll definitely have to get the ones that you spread onto your face. Even though those are messier, I feel like it would be cuter for a video. This is so embarrassing. 15 minutes. So we're gonna leave it on for 15 minutes, unless it falls off first because it's not really sticking. It's fine, we're having a good time. Okay, I'm not filming this anymore. Okay, I took the face mask off. Are we soothed? Are we hydrated? Are we glowing? It looks like it. So as you guys saw, I'm just editing right now and I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. It's almost 9. I'm just gonna be editing for the rest of the night, so not much else is going on. And I already have 2 hours of footage, which is a lot more than I thought I did. So that is going to be it for today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my social media, of course. Links are all down below. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye. Raindrops on the window, I'm dreaming, but it doesn't make sense at all. In the microphone,